Let's see how to add captions to pictures in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and insert our picture. Click on the Insert tab, click on Pictures. Now insert your picture. Let's say that you want to insert this picture. And as you can see, that has been inserted into our document. Now let's say that we want to add a caption to this picture to make it clearer for the readers to understand more about the picture. So what we can do is click on that picture. Now click on References. And right here, you'll see the option to insert caption. And if you click on that, that will open up this window where you can type in your caption, you can add your figure, or you can change your label into an equation, a figure, or a table, and you can change the position to put it above or below the image. Now let's go ahead and type our caption. And as you can see, our picture now has a caption written below it. And that is how you can insert captions in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.